Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. And I told you that I would do a video of my non-CDL hotshot setup. So this is my non-CDL hotshot setup. And like I said before in my previous video of why I'm going non-CDL with this first setup when I got a CDL. But you know, I already said why in the last video. But here we go. So we'll start with the truck. There's a 2014 Ram 2500 with the Cummins Diesel Engine in it, the heavy duty one. Got some aftermarket wheels, pretty cool. Yep, 2014 Ram 2500 with the Cummins Diesel. And then for the trailer, don't mind the mess. I'm at one of my properties, but don't mind the mess and the junk around the setup. But anyways, so here we got the Loadtrail. This is a 30-foot trailer and has the mega ramps. In a minute, I'll get back there. This is a 30-footer and it has the 7K axles. And I said this is non-CDL, so this is perfectly fine. The axles are 7K. It's a 30-footer. It's the Loadtrail. I love Loadtrail. It's one of my favorite trailers. Like it. As you can see, a little max step. It's got them on both sides. But yeah, and get to the 7K Dextra axles. These are the Dextra axles, but they're 7K. And has the fold out max ramps. They're 5 feet. I like this cool right here. This is pretty cool. But I still might throw a strap over it just in case, but so the max ramps, Loadtrail, 30-footer. It is, for being 30 feet, it is pretty big, you know. Once you're in person, you know, around it, 30 feet is pretty big. You don't think like it's big, but it's pretty big. And earlier I weighed the truck and trailer, and you'll be surprised of what this weighed. You know, for being non-CDL, it came out to 14,000 pounds. Full tank and everything. And let me show you the GVWRA. Where's it at? Oh. So this trailer, the gross vehicle weight recommended 14,000 pounds. And empty, this trailer weighs, as you can see right there, 6,260. But when I weighed it, so I weighed this trailer and the truck, and the trailer, I posted a picture of the weight ticket. So this is 6,260, but I think most of it was because the weight was on the back of the truck. Yeah, it's a train, don't mind the train. But anyways, so the trailer came out to be 5040. So it's like, this is that, and the trailer came out to 5040. So I'm like, I wonder if like the other 1,000 pounds was like on the back of the truck. But yeah, there we go. And this is a 2013, by the way, brand new trailer, first owner, brand new. Like this literally came out of the factory. But yeah, 2013 Loadtrail 30-footer with a two 7K axles. Oh man, that train's loud. I apologize for that. With two 7K axles, Dextra axles, mega ramps, got the mag steps. Oh, show you the little, has a toolbox here and everything. But yeah, this spare tire's up there. I need to go pick up the spare tire. Chains. Yeah, I know the emergency brake cord, it's not connected right, but don't mind that. But yeah, here's my non-CDL setup. Hopefully this video wasn't just me moving the camera up and down. Terrain's bumpy, but this is my setup. My non-CDL setup. The 2014 Dodge Ram, the Cummins Diesel Engine, and my 30-foot Loadtrail trailer. All right, everybody.